present. Let's talk about the last elements of the functions, which is the functions of the religion institutions. So what religion basically do and how it operates within a society. The first one is religion creates social solidarity. What does it mean? Religion is considered as a societal glue as it creates harmony of attitude, ideas, and the habits among its followers. They come closer to one another and are, commented together, or they are bound together. Religious rituals like weddings, birth, and the other celebration of the special religion events promote group solidarity and the cohesion, as all members know how to behave towards one another. For example, if you have an Eid event, it could be a smaller one, it could be Eid al-Azha, it could be Eid al-Fitr. So every person will behave with another person with a particular kind of actions. It creates basically solidarity, and this is happening just because of the religion. The other one, religious develops creates socialization as a process of initiation to into the larger society. Religion religion is an actual agent of the socialization. In case parental faith or the religion becomes the faith of the children. For example, religion teaches its followers to accept even negative life experience and their fate as something that is divine and precedented. The other could be social control. Social control, besides acting as an integrating force, religion also provides guidance and becomes a means of social control. It provides rules and the standards of behaviors. It also provides fear of divine punishment for those who do not abide by the rules, hence creating a physical and the social cleanliness. The other one could be, if we define the terms more, social control. Religious beliefs can influence the conduct of those who believe in them. It keeps people in line through folkways and mores. Religious sanctions play a significant role in the regard. Many or the various cultures have religion sanction. Uh, in our state, you cannot use the wine, not only because it's a law of the local government, but it is also the sanctions, the negative sanctions from their religious perspective. The other could be judgment of the right and the wrong. It also helps to determine what is considered acceptable behavior and what is not. For example, Islam divides action into two categories. The right acts lead to heaven and the wrong acts to a hell. Now, the last things, that is, religious gives you an answers. It gives an explanation or the knowledge about the occurrence of the certain phenomena, what is the purpose of the life, what will happen after the life, and why do pupils suffer, and why, what do you mean by the terms tolerance. And these all the answer given by the religion to every member or to every followers. So that was the